Hey guys, let's review Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. As of now, this has to be one of the most affordable 5G smartphone in India. The screen on this one, it's having a 6.5-inch screen, and it's LCD screen. Quality of the screen is actually really good, and the screen is actually really bright. It's about 600 nits, so outdoor visibility is also not an issue. This is having 120 Hz refresh option. We normally use 60 Hz. It goes to 120 Hz, and when it doesn't require, it goes to 60 Hz. I like the optimization in this phone. This mobile actually got some very good battery life. In terms of screen quality, yes, it's not an AMOLED screen. But, they have put a very good quality screen. That I would not complain, when you have that 120 Hz option. And the design is good. Also, this has a 5000 mAh battery. If you seeing this channel for first time and like to see similar reviews in future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. If you see the design of this one at the back, it is not glass. But again, it's not the cheap quality plastic, this actually resists the fingerprints when we touch. And I like this in this gray color, actually it looks pretty elegant. We have the corners over here, rounded corners, so when you hold the phone it is actually good to hold. They have done a good job when coming to the weight balance. The weight balance of the device is good, though it has that 5000 mAh battery and the 6.5-inch screen. It's not super heavy. It weighs just about 196 grams. So it feels actually comfortable to hold. Okay, next thing, what I noticed is the fingerprint scanner is here on the side. We have seen this in a lot of smartphones. And you touch it works very responsive. Next is regarding the processor. This is the same processor that was used on the Realme X7. It's the new MediaTek Dimensity 800Q. And guys, this is actually a brand new processor. It's a very power efficient processor, it's based on the 7nm processor. And this is actually a 5G chip. I have to say the performance of the phone is very smooth with this processor. It has 5 5G bands that are supported. And this is actually pretty good. This because many of the smartphones they claim 5G. Just having 1 or 2 5G bands. But this has 5 5G bands. I would say, and I like the fact that, this smartphone actually has 5 grams on both the SIMs. It's not like only one SIM is 5 grams enabled, so that way I like it. So again, I feel that way it's a future-proof, and I like the chipset. The chipset is very good, very efficient. In fact, I would say in terms of battery life this actually surprised me. It has that 5000 mAh battery. The standby time it's almost 2 days. Almost every time when I didn't have to charge this device. Every day and every time I was getting a screen of time almost excessive 8 hours. I got over 9 hours of screen on time, and this is the regular usage. Some of you have asked me, does this phone heat up while you're using the phone watching YouTube videos, doing your regular stuff? No. That is also very good, the phone hardly heats up. When you're using it, in fact I did some gaming also. I played Call of Duty on this one. And I'm not a big gamer, the Call of Duty actually works fine. I have no issues in fact. Coming to the call quality, called earpiece is also very good. I did not have a network issues in fact. Wi-Fi calling is also enabled on this smartphone. Regarding the camera. As you can see back, if you see, it has the triple camera setup. And the main sensor is a 48 megapixel. Then we have that 8 megapixels that's ultra wide. And then we have a 2 megapixel. Outdoor it does actually a pretty good job, as you can see with. But what was the biggest surprise to me is that even in indoor artificial lighting conditions, this one performed way better than what expectations. Because, what happens is specifically in indoor lighting conditions, these cameras tend to show their weaknesses. Here I feel it performed much better than what I was expecting. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.